Bienvenido. ¿Estás buscando los mejores gadgets de cocina? ¡Genial! Porque nosotros seleccionamos para ti los mejores gadgets de cocina de Amazon y AliExpress. Estos increíbles gadgets de cocina te ahorrarán muchísimo tiempo. Si quieres comprar alguno, pincha en el enlace de la descripción. Estos gadgets te convertirán en todo un chef. Disfruta del vídeo y gracias por vernos.
Hi, I'm Kara for Hamilton Beach, and this is the new Set and Forget programmable slow cooker. It's the perfect slow cooker for taking to picnics, potlucks, and parties because the clip-tight gasket lid reduces messy spills. This spacious 6-quart slow cooker can handle a 4-pound roast or a 6-pound chicken. You have 3 easy choices for cooking: program, probe, and manual. Operating is simple. Just add the ingredients, cover, set the time and temperature, and forget it until you're ready to eat. For heavier roasts, use the thermometer probe that displays the actual temperature of the meat as it cooks. Just set the probe to the desired meat temperature, and when that temperature is reached, it automatically switches to keep warm, so it'll be fresh, hot, and ready to eat when you are. The full grip handles make carrying heavy meals easy. Now that's good thinking.
Finding a container to keep up with everyday demands used to be a challenge. Thanks to Rubbermaid, the new standard in food storage is here. Introducing Rubbermaid Brilliance, 100% leak-proof guaranteed. Brilliance containers have an airtight seal and innovative latches to keep your food locked inside. When open, the latches reveal built-in vents for splatter-free microwaving with the lid on. The premium BPA-free material is dishwasher safe and resists stains to keep your containers looking crystal clear and new. Brilliance containers stack perfectly to keep food visible and organized. Rubbermaid Brilliance, 100% leak-proof guaranteed.
Viking products are designed for the culinary enthusiast desiring professional quality results. Viking ceramic non-stick bakeware delivers the even heat and superior release. The heavy-gauge carbon steel construction evenly distributes heat and prevents warping. The dual silicone handles make Viking bakeware easy to grip and maneuver. The eco-friendly ceramic non-stick coating is PFOA and PTFE-free, scratch and stain resistant, and ensures easy release. Our ceramic non-stick bakeware is available in a variety of sizes and shapes for all of your baking needs. Oven safe to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, bake, roast, and clean up with ease. Viking bakeware is engineered to deliver professional performance and carries a 2-year warranty. Viking products are designed for the culinary enthusiast desiring professional quality results. Our 3-ply 9-quart 3-in-1 oval roaster is constructed with a heat-distributing aluminum core bonded with stainless steel to ensure responsive, even heating and easy maintenance. This extremely versatile pan can be used as an open roaster, covered roaster, Dutch oven, or stockpot. Use the 3-ply lid separately as a 4-quart en gratin, casserole, sauté, or serving vessel. A stainless rack is included for even cooking and easy draining. Use this adaptable pan and lid every day for an endless number of recipes. Roast, braise, slow cook, sear, sauté, and more. Both roaster and lid feature a polished mirror finish. Both work on all cooktops, including induction, and are oven, grill, and broiler safe. The Viking roaster carries a lifetime warranty.
Introducing the new hands-free citrus juicer from Vinci Housewares. Vinci Housewares was founded in Southern California by a team of engineers obsessed with perfecting the tools we use in the kitchen. Vinci products are engineered with functionality, ease of use, and durability as the #1 goal. Our Vinci hands-free citrus juicer is the most advanced household citrus juicer available. Citrus is such a versatile, delicious, healthy ingredient, perfect for breakfast, cocktails, recipes, and even desserts. With our patented automatic juicing mechanism, all you do is slice your citrus, place it on the reamer, and press the juice button. Use it on all kinds of citrus from key limes to grapefruits. The Vinci pressure-sensitive juicing technology automatically senses the thickness of the citrus rind, giving you the maximum amount of delicious juice without the bitter taste of the rind that other juicers can't detect. We found the traditional methods of juicing citrus to be messy, inefficient, bulky, and requiring more effort. With the hands-free citrus juicer, there's no need to hold the fruit. The juicing reamer automatically raises and extracts the maximum amount of juice possible. Quickly juice any piece of citrus in under 30 seconds. And the built-in reservoir allows you to pre-squeeze 12 ounces in less than a minute. Our high-torque motor is built to withstand years of making fresh citrus juice. Juice all sizes of citrus, from small limes up to large grapefruits. And the interchangeable strainers allow for low pulp or high pulp juicing. And when it comes to cleanup, there's no hassle. All the parts are removable for a thorough and complete cleaning, and all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Get your Vinci hands-free citrus juicer now and enjoy fresh, hassle-free citrus juice all year long.